Class UKG, subject Maths, topic backward counting 50 to 1 by Megha Batra. Hello children, I am Megha Batra, your maths teacher, and today we are going to learn about backward counting 50 to 1. First of all, I hope you are safe at home and doing the activities given by your respective teachers. I wish we will recover for this pandemic disease and start coming to our school very soon. Now we will start backward counting with an activity. But in previous class, I hope you have already learned forward counting. So let's start backward counting with an activity. Can you tell me which insect is this? Who tell me? I give you 1 star. Tell me which insect is this? This is a caterpillar. This is a caterpillar. Which insect is this? This is a caterpillar. Children, this caterpillar has how many circles? How many circles? Tell me. How many circles? 10 circles. Slowly, slowly count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many circles? 10 circles. How many circles? 10 circles. So children, did you understand what kind of counting is this? This is a forward counting. 1 to 10. This is a forward counting 1 to 10. When we count it 10 to 1, when we count it 10 to 1, that is called backward counting. Slowly, slowly you have to count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Class, what is the another name of backward counting? What is the another name of the backward counting? Is reverse counting. Reverse counting. So, when we count greater to smaller number, it is called backward counting. Like I give you one example, like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Greater to smaller you have to go now. When we go greater to smaller number, it is called backward counting. What is the another name of backward counting is? Reverse counting. Okay. So this was an example. I give you only an example. But according to our syllabus, we have to learn backward counting 50 to 1. Students, please take out your maths notebook. On the top corner, please write today's date. Today's date D A T E. Write down the date. 13th 1/3/13 dot May May dot 2020. On the left corner, you have to write down classwork. C dot W. So let's start backward counting. On the below, you have to write down today's day, because today's day is Thursday. What is the spelling of Thursday? THURSDAY. Thursday. What is the spelling of Thursday? THURSDAY. Thursday. So in the middle you have to write down backward counting. Slowly you have to write down. In the capital letters you have to write down backward counting. BACK. Backward. WARD. Backward counting. 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 52 1 5 0 50 dash 1 52 1. In the bracket you have to write down 52 1. Now in the first column you have to write down tens and ones. So let's start the backward counting. 52 1. Tens ones. You have to write down tens ones. Leave one space. Then tens ones. Then leave one space. Then tens ones. Then leave one place. Tens ones. Then leave one place. Tens ones. Where you have to leave the place, you have to cross. Where you have to cross there. Slowly you have to cross there. Okay. So let's start the backward counting. Now in first column, from where you start the backward counting? From 50 now. So you have to write down in first column. In tens place you have to write down 5, and in zero place, 0 means ones, you have to write down 0. 5 0 50, 5 0 50, 5 0 50. Slowly, slowly. 4 9 49, 4 8 48. Remember, you have to touch the bottom line, okay? 4 8 48. Then 4 7 47, 4 7 47, 4 6 46, 4 5 45, 4 4 44, 4 3 43, 4 2 42, 4 1 41. Class, they both are in double digits, like 5 0 are double digit numbers now, so they come in 5 come in the place of tens and 0 come in the place of ones. So come in the next line. 4 1 41. Now come 4 0 40, 3 9 39, 3 9 39, 3 8 38, 3 8 38, 3 7 37. Now 3 7 37, 3 6 36, 3 6 36, 3 5 35, 3 4 34, 3 4 34, 3 3 33, 3 2 32, 3 1 31. Now come in third line. Class, you understand this? 5 0 50 and 4 0 40, they both are in double digit number, so they come in, so likewise 5 come in tens place and 0 come in ones place. Likewise 4 come in tens place and 0 come in ones place. Now come to the next line. 3 0 30, 3 before, what's before 3 before? 2. Okay, now 2 write, 2 0 before 9, so you have to write down 9, 2 9 20, 9, 2 8 28, 2 7 27, 2, 6, 20. 6, 2, 5, 20. 5, 2, 4, 20. 4, 2, 3, 20. 3, 2, 2, 20. 2, 2, 2, 1, 20. 1. Now come in fourth line, tens and ones. So you have to write down now which line come 20. 2 comes in tens, so you have to write down 2 in place. 2 comes in tens place and 0 comes in ones place. 2, 0, 20. Now 2 before 1. So 1 you have to write down 1, 0 before 9. So you have to write down 19. 1, 9, 19. Then 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Then 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. Then 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Class, you know it's a backward counting, so you have to go back. So now you have to write down 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Down next number. Before 14, what will you write? 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Now 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Now 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Okay. Now come to the next line. 1 comes in the place of tens and 0 once 0 come in the place of ones. So you have to round 1 come in the place of tens and 0 you have to write down in the place of ones. So now 9 to 1 they are in single digit numbers, so you have to write down in the ones place. Now start 9, 8. Class, ma'am don't know what is the before, what is the 8 before 8, what will you write? 7. Now 6. Then 5. Then 4. Then 3, 2, 1. Okay class, now this counting you have to understand now. One important thing that from 10 to 50 numbers. 10 to 50 numbers are double digit number, so we have to write them in two columns. 5 would be in first column and 0 would be in second column. So 5 would be in place of tens and 0 in the place of ones. Likewise, we have to write down 11 to 50. 11 to 50. 11 to 50 in two columns. Okay. Now come into the next line. 1 to 9. 1 to 9 number are in single digit numbers. So we have to write them in second columns in the place of ones. In the place of ones. Okay class. Now we will write and learn backward counting, which is the main topic of our today subject. Students, if you write neatly, then I will give you a one smiley. Now you are happy? Okay. Now come to the next page. On the right side, you have to write down date. D-A-T-E. Date. Date is 13th 1/3/13 dash M-A-Y. May. Dot 2020. In the middle you have to write down same as classwork. On the next line you have to write down in the capital letters, you have to write down backward counting. What is the spelling of backward counting? B-A-C-K-W-A-R-D. Backward counting. C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G. Backward counting 50 to 1. In the middle you have to write down 50 to 1. Now students, I show you one activity related to this topic. So let's start. Okay. You know students, backward counting is just like a before. Now I have few more examples for you. Before 19, what will you write? 18. What will you write? 18. 18. Wow. Okay, next. Before 25, what will you write? 24. 24. 24. Now next. Before 36, what will you write? Okay. Who tell me, I give you 1 star. Okay. Now, what will you write? 35. 35. Now next. Before 7, what will you write? Tell me. What will you write? 6. Okay. Now this activity finished. Respected parents, I request you, when you sit with your children for study, please tell them to write and count it loudly, because this will improve their oral skills too. Also take care of yourself, stay at home and tell your children to study well.